promised you.
Hey friends, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. So today's video, I'm going to be sharing my plan for a bathroom makeover. It's a small powder room. I want to do this for under $100. So I'm going to go to Five and Below, and I'm also going to go to Ross, and I'm going to see what I can get. I already have some things in my house. I'm going to use some of the things that I have in my house to make over this bathroom. But today it's just going to be my plans for making over the bathroom. I'm going to show you guys what the bathroom looks like right now. And then probably in the next video, I'm going to be actually designing and executing my plan for my space. So if you want to see what I have and what my plan is for this bathroom, keep watching. All right, y'all, let's get into the video. Okay, friends, this is the powder room. It's a pretty decent size, but as you can see, it needs some help. It's lost in 1990, but I'm going to bring it back to 2024. So I'm going to share my plans with you guys for making over this space today. But first, I'm going to go to Five Below, and I'm going to go to Ross to see what I can find, because the goal is to make this space over for no more than $100.
You think nobody's ever thought of the things you think about when you're alone and it feels. You think you're crazy, but everybody's the same. Afraid you're different, scared you can't handle reality. You can't understand it, trying to manage, repair the damage. A couple steps, but in slow motion. A couple distant oceans like that. Thought that it would heal you, but it's poison. I thought I lost it. I thought I lost it. I can't lie, can't lie, can't lie, can't lie. I thought I lost it. You don't know how much longer you could walk around and wonder why it gotta be you. Tell me that it ain't true. What's happening to me? Can't nobody see you. A couple steps, but in slow motion. A couple distant oceans like that. Thought that it would heal you, but it's poison. I thought I lost it. I thought I lost it. I can't lie, can't lie, can't lie, can't lie.
Okay, friends, so I'm back home, and I'm going to show y'all what I got. So from Ross, I picked up a picture, and I picked up a bath rug set. And from Five Below, I picked up 2 plants and a wicker basket. So when I saw this picture, I knew this was what I wanted. So with this picture, I'm going to be doing a DIY. So if you want to know how this turns out, subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notifications so you will be alerted when I post a video. But alright, y'all, this is all I got. I spent $43 and I still have $57 left over. So do you guys think that I'm going to be able to do this makeover for $100 or less? Let me know in the comments. So now I'm going to share my plans for this bathroom makeover. So as you can see, this room is very dark and dreary. So the first thing I'm going to do is add some lighting. Adding lighting to a small space will make the room appear larger and brighter. The next thing I plan to do is add wallpaper to the wall, because the wallpaper will bring some life into the room. And on the 2 walls opposite of the wall that I plan to put the wallpaper on, I'm going to paint those walls. And the last thing, but certainly not least, I'm going to add new flooring, because the flooring will just set this room right off. And of course, I will be decorating the room. But if you want to see how everything turns out, subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notifications so you will know when I post a video. All right, friends, that's all for now. Thank you for stopping by. Like, comment, and subscribe for more from me. Bye, y'all.